Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn off Nova or third-party launchers and go back to default on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. So first, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, we then scroll down and then tap on apps. Now in here there are two ways how you can do this. First, we go down to the launching app that you want to remove. So at the moment I'm using the Nova launcher, so if I scroll down to Nova launcher, so you go down to the launcher app that you are using and then tap on set as default. In here tap on clear default and that's it. So that has been clear. So if I tap on my home button, I can now choose One UI Home, and then that will be my default home screen now. Okay, so another way to do it is to go into settings. Again, we go down to apps. Then at the top here, tap on choose default apps, and then tap on home app. And in here, you can choose One UI Home. So let's say I have now set it to Nova Launcher. So we go back in here and then we choose One UI Home, and that will set your default home launcher back to Samsung One UI. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.